Okay, Jules.
All right, triple chocolate brownie week.
So we've been doing a brownie recipe every week.
And a lot of extra walking and other activities.
So this is a triple chocolate brownie.
Yes.
So if you watched last week's brownie recipe, we did a brown butter brownie. And so this week I added chocolate liqueur. So to make this, you're going to need butter, chocolate, white sugar, brown sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, chocolate liqueur, and salt. So
Just chocolate liqueur?
Just chocolate liqueur. So I started out with browning the butter in a frying pan. You do it over medium heat. You don't want to do it too quickly because you don't want to burn the butter. And then as soon as the butter's brown, take it off the heat, dump the chocolate in, stir it until it is fully melted. In a stand mixer, I whipped together the two types of sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, a couple of eggs. I'm hoping they're super fudgy. Vanilla. The chocolate liqueur. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Do I have to wait?
No, go ahead. And then, of course, sifted together the cocoa powder and the flour, salt, and baking powders. So it's 3 chocolates. There's the bar chocolate, the cocoa powder, and the chocolate liqueur.
So it's really interesting because it's almost creamy versus the chewy. Like last week's was definitely chewier. This week it's almost like it's chewy, but it's not like
it is creamy,
fudgy
isn't it?
chewy. I can't quite.
So it's definitely not cakey. So depending on where you live, butter is 15 to 18% water. And so when you brown the butter, what you're doing is you're driving off all of the water first. That's the sound, the spitting and the boiling and the bubbling, which makes the butter denser. So the brownies that we made last week, where I didn't add any extra liquid, that would have made them super dense. Adding the alcohol this week, put the chocolate in after it had cooled a little bit, because you don't want to scramble the eggs. Every once in a while you need to stop the mixer and just take a rubber spatula and scrape down the sides. You just want to make sure that you've got everything mixed together. And then with the stand mixer on low, I just sort of spooned in the flour and cocoa mixture. You can do this off the stand mixer if you want, but you know, this has been working out for me, so I'm just going to keep doing it this way. And then once the batter is ready, I scrape that into a buttered baking pan that I've put a parchment sling in, and the parchment sling makes it very easy to get the brownies out at the end.
It definitely has a different flavor to it. Just a subtle, but it's subtle. It's a very subtle, different flavor.
It's more of a texture difference. It's got that really nice, shiny, flaky bit on the top, too. I like that.
I like that one, too. Although, generally, I don't think you can go wrong with homemade brownies.
I've never met a homemade brownie I didn't like.
No.
That's a good one.
It'd be really good with, because it's got that creamy texture, it'd be kind of fun with some alternate textures in there, like nuts or something that just kind of... I like those surprises. I know that you don't like those surprises.
Not big on those, yeah.
But I like those
I know what you mean.
surprises.
It's sort of like a little bit of a crunch every once in a while.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It's
I
not
know.
for me.
But for me.
So next week, now that I know the liqueur worked, we've got our homemade coffee liqueur, that homemade Kahlua. So I'm going to put the coffee liqueur in. And I see you making a face because you don't like coffee.
Not coffee.
But I don't expect that it'll have a coffee flavor. I think it'll just sort of be in the back. It'll be like Marmite. It'll just be in the. It'll be
I understand fully. It kind of enhances the flavor.
enhances
They
every
do
other flavor.
go with
Yeah.
chocolate. I'll wait to see.
Okay.
How's that? I'll keep a
Um,
positive attitude.
This is a winner though. I like this one.
This one is good.
Yeah. So let's cut some more of that. And get on the couch. I'll get the kettle going.
How big of a piece do you want?
Oh, a big one.